guys, and welcome back to my channel. Listen, I have to give Kelly back to her owner, so I figured like one for the road, let's just throw it on for a video. But as you can see with the title, today I'm going to be talking about some fragrances that you might want to check out for the spring summers. If you guys want to know more, let's go. Now y'all know the Sephora sale is coming. That is a good time to stock up on fragrance, try fragrance for the first time. However, I don't think this first one can be purchased at Sephora. I think they used to have Moschino, but I don't think they have it anymore. But that is this bad guy right here. Does Ulta? I think I got the pink one from Sephora a long time ago. I don't know if they still have it, but I think I got this from Amazon. But this is Toy 2. This smells so good. This is one of the fragrances, I kid you not, every single time I wear this, I get compliments on it. Now, the other one, which I thought the other one was Toy 2, but it literally looks the same exact way, except that one is pink. That one is like a bubblegum scent. This is like a floral, but I feel like I smell a little bubblegum in this one. So it's like a good mixture of both in that one. And I every single time, stepping out of an Uber, you smell good. Thank you. Thank you. I actually thought about this while I was doing the video. She's loved. I'm making my way through this bottle, but I haven't picked it up in a minute. But this spring, summer, not only is she gonna be outside, she's gonna be outside smelling like this. And this is also a good like layering fragrance. Now don't get too crazy with what you try it with. Like don't be spraying this and then go, spray some tonka bean tobacco. But I have tried this mixed with a lot of other fragrances, somewhere in the like floral sweet families, and it smells really good. So definitely want to check out. I believe I got this late last year, somewhere around there. This is from Glossier. They came out with this one and the purple one. If you guys remember, I said like I literally could not smell anything when I tried smelling the purple one. However, they have another purple one coming out soon that I showed you guys in that Let's Talk New Makeup video that is supposed to be like a scent enhancer. So I want to smell that one. I want to see how that one works. But when I went to go smell these two, this is that grown sexy floral. Again, the scent for, you grown. Now you're trying to find your signature scent. Now you need something to wear to work, girls' night out, date night. Another mixes really well with other fragrances, but stands fine on its own. I usually just don't like wearing just one fragrance on its own. And ironically, I'm wearing this one and the Moschino together today. So I'm like, I keep smelling a little sweetness, but I'm like, nah, that's the Moschino that I'm smelling, not the you. But I swear, am I losing it? Cause I keep hearing sounds, but obviously, like I don't like that. I don't, and it keeps throwing me off from what I'm doing. But yeah, child, spring, summer, I could also see you in fall, winter. This is like a good like year-round scent, but definitely one breakout more in the spring, summer. Speaking of year-round, I don't care. At this point, this is a like year-round scent to me. And it's just funny how like, as you grow, as you change, as the things that you like change, how your perspective on things change. Because y'all know this came out around this time last year. And when it did, the yellow one was my favorite. I smelled this one, I was like, she's okay. But mid last year, late last year, I got I Am Her from Forever Mood, and I'm telling you, something about it is just luxury. Once I was able to smell that red velvet in there, she became one of my favorites. And I feel like she is a year-round type scent. Loved her in fall, winter, and I feel like I'm gonna love her in the spring, summer. So definitely one that you can try, you can pick up during the spring, summer. Spring, summer, that's when people are outdoors a little bit more, and it just gives like an occasional fragrance. It just gives like event fragrance. Like you're going somewhere, you need a fragrance to put on so you can walk in the room, and yeah, this is one of those type fragrances. Some fragrances, like that's a at home fragrance. I'm just trying to smell squeaky clean. I'm just trying to smell, just fresh at home. So I keep you at home. Then there are fragrances like I'm trying to be outside. I'm trying to turn heads outside. There are those fragrances. Then there are fragrances where it's like, I'm going outside, but like I'm just going to work. I'm just going to the grocery store. I'm just going. So there's a different category for everything, right? This is one of those like, nah, you need to smell me. If you want compliments, you put this fragrance in that category. And again, this one mixes nice, pairs nice with a lot of other fragrances as well. And those are usually the ones that I like more because I just cannot wear one fragrance at a time. And I think that's also like, you're just, again, trying to create your own signature scent when you're putting on perfume. Okay, this one is new to me. This is from Oaka. It is their Watermelon Jam. I did a video for them on TikTok, and it was my first time ever trying any of their fragrances. I believe the brand in general is supposed to be like, you know, more affordable fragrances that are dupes of something. I didn't see what this is supposed to be a dupe of, but it's called Watermelon Jam, and guess what it smells like? Smells like watermelon. I think I've said this before in like fragrance videos. I don't like watermelon. I don't like eating it. It'd be given very much so paper to me when I smell it. And before you just haven't gotten the right ones, you know, you're not finding the right sweet ones. I don't tried it. And yes, I have tried some like sweet watermelon. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of watermelon. However, I do like watermelon scented things. I like how watermelon smells. I also usually like watermelon flavored candy as well, but like actual watermelon, I don't like watermelon. So it smells like watermelon, very sweet fragrance. This is more of a like really sweet fragrance. So if you don't like sweet fragrances, it probably ain't gonna be for you. But if you do, then you'll probably like this one. And I said it in the video that I made for them, like it gives the vibe of fun. I've been doing some like word association videos on fragrances on my other platforms. Fragrances can make you feel a way, right? Like when I say word association, you know, I said fun. It also like reminded me of being a kid, like National Go Outside Play Day, just having fun, feeling youthful again. That's what this one gives. So spring, summer, definitely a time to break out a fragrance like this. And like I said, if you like, and it's strong. I mean strong. Now because I was filming a video for a brand, you know, sometimes you mess up, stuff like that, blah, blah, blah. So I had to spray it on myself quite a few times. When I tell you it was nighttime, it was time for me to take a shower and I still smelled like watermelon. Now you don't like that. Again, maybe not the fragrance for you. But if you like strong, you like watermelon, pick her up. Okay, keeping it sweet. Pistachio by Kayali. This is my little travel size. I feel like a lot of my travel size fragrances are from Kayali. The Vanilla 28, like that is my favorite fragrance to take when I'm going somewhere. But pistachio, really good for the spring, summer. Like I told you, when it comes to Kayali, baby, like whatever the name is, it's telling you what it's gonna smell like. It smells like pistachio, you know, pistachio, ice cream, mint pistachio, you know, flavored something, but not like juvenile, not too sweet, not too anything like that, like just the right amount where I can be grown but it's still giving spring, fresh but cute, fun. And again, layers really well. I feel like a lot of Kayali fragrances layer well with other Kayali fragrances, just because like they're not the strongest. So like they won't overpower each other and they don't overpower other fragrances either, but like they're not a Kayali princess where it wears off in like 20 minutes. Next up is My Way, and I feel like I break My Way out every spring, summer, because like it's not a fragrance that I would necessarily pull out like winter, right? It's a very juicy, very, again, outside, having fun. When you think of, why is the cat not going? Okay. When you think of, you know, summer, just bright, fresh, bold type fragrances, My Way by Armani Beauty. And I always get this mixed up with Hermes Twilly, which I have Twilly as well. For some reason, I always get them mixed up because it's like they're in the same family, they give the same vibes, but there is obviously a very big difference between the two of them. I will say though, Armani My Way Intense, I mean, most of the times you should probably just get the intense version if you do want that like stronger scent, might last a little bit longer. Very rarely do I not prefer the intense version over the original, like Libre Intense. I think Ponytail has one where I prefer the intense version. Which one is it? I don't remember. So if you're gonna pick up My Way, definitely get the intense version. But again, if you want that like citrusy, juicy, you know, real summer scent, My Way is one to check out. And last but not least, I have the Viktor&RolfFlowerbomb Tiger Lily fragrance. I got this last summer, I think. And y'all know, again, like as you get older, things change, opinions change. I was not really a floral fragrance type of girly, but as I am getting older, I'm like slowly dipping my toe into it. So I like the floral scents where it just gives like fresh, you know, spring outside, that type feeling. The, you know, if it's nauseating, like I walked into a flower shop, it's not for me. If it's giving granny's purse, it's not for me. And I don't get that from this one. Again, just a very grown, sexy floral. And I feel like a lot of floral fragrances that I do end up liking, I feel like they be having a little spice to them, a little kick, just a little spritz of paprika in there somewhere. But I have this one. I have the original Flowerbomb. I don't know if it's supposed to, well, is it supposed to be like a more intense version of it? Because if it was, it would explain why I prefer Tiger Lily over the original one. But the original one is good for the spring, summer as well. So for my more floral fragrance girlies, you would probably really like Tiger Lily. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. I think everything but the Moschino and Oksha you can get at Sephora. So like I said, the sale is coming up in like 2 weeks, so if you're getting your carts ready, definitely some fragrances to check out. I have put a lot of my, you know, like milky, those type fragrances that I would pick up more so in the like fall, winter. I've put a lot of them away, and these are a lot of the fragrances you will, well, if you catch me outside, that you will be smelling on me. Let me know in the comments down below like what you gravitate towards when it comes to spring, summer. Are you more of a juicy girl? Are you a floral girl? Are you a woodsy girl or boy? Yeah, let me know all of that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.